How to use Cash App without a bank or card.
Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Cash App. Specifically, we'll explore how to use it without a bank account or card. If you've ever found yourself wondering about this, you're in the right place.
What is Cash App?
Cash App is a peer-to-peer payment app that allows users to send and receive money. Originally designed to cater to quick money transfers between friends or acquaintances, it has expanded its features over time.
Can you use Cash App without a bank or card?
The short answer is yes. While linking a bank account or card can enhance the functionality and convenience of the app, it's not strictly necessary to have one for basic operations.
How to receive money without a bank or card.
1. Create a Cash App account. You'll need an email or phone number. 2. Choose a unique $cash tag. This is a unique identifier for your account. It allows others to send money to you directly. 3. Share your $cash tag with anyone who needs to send you money. 4. Money sent to your cash tag will reside in your Cash App balance.
How to send money without a bank or card.
1. Receiving money first. Before you can send money without a bank or card, you'll need to have funds in your Cash App balance. This can be done by receiving payments from others. 2. To send, enter the recipient's cash tag or linked email, phone number. 3. Input the amount and confirm the transaction. The amount will be deducted from your Cash App balance.
Limitations to remember.
While you can use Cash App without a bank or card, there are some limitations. 1. Cannot add money directly. Without a bank or card, you can't add money to your Cash App account directly. You can only receive money from others. 2. Withdrawal limitations. Without a bank account, you may face challenges or limitations when trying to withdraw or spend your Cash App balance. That wraps up our guide on using Cash App without a bank or card. We hope this has shed light on the flexibility of the app. Always remember, while it's possible to operate without a bank or card, some features might be limited. Until next time, stay savvy with your financial apps.